The Navy may change the size, shape, technological configuration and mission characteristics of its aircraft carriers in the future after careful service and think tank study of the emerging global threat environment, senior service officials said. Senior Navy officials worked with the Center for Strategic and Budgetary Assessments to explore whether alternative configurations, engineering models, shapes, sizes and technologies were needed to address anticipated future threats to the platforms. Many by now are familiar with ongoing debates about whether aircraft carriers themselves could soon become obsolete with the advent of longer-range, precision-guided anti-ship missiles and next-generation hypersonic attack weapons. The Navy may consider alternative aircraft carrier configurations in coming years as it prepares for its new high-tech, next-generation carrier to become operational later this year, service officials have said. Configurations and acquisition plans for the next 3 Ford-class carriers, the USS Ford, USS Kennedy and USS Enterprise are not expected to change. However, the study could impact longer-term Navy plans for carrier designs and platforms beyond those 3, service officials have said. Although no particular plans have been solidified or announced, it seems possible that these future carriers could be engineered with greater high-tech sensors and ship defenses, greater speed and maneuverability to avoid enemy fire and configurations which allow for more drones to launch from the deck of the ship. They could be smaller and more maneuverable with drones and longer-range precision weapons, analysts have speculated. At the same time, it is possible that the Ford-class carrier could be adjusted to evolve as technologies mature, in order to accommodate some of the concerns about emerging enemy threats. Navy engineers have designed the Ford-class platform with this ability to adapt in mind. As a result of the unfolding trajectory of carrier technologies and other defensive weapons, many senior leaders have been clear that future carriers will indeed be able to operate in extremely high-threat environments. According to a report from Scout Warriors Michael Faby, the CSPA report recommends a high-low mix of traditional carriers along with new, more agile smaller carriers. The Navy should also pursue a new high-low mix in its aircraft carrier fleet, CSPA says in its report. CSPA Restoring American Sea Power, a new fleet architecture for the United States Navy, released February 9 of this year. Traditional nuclear-powered supercarriers remain necessary to deter and defeat near-peer competitors, but other day-to-day missions, such as power projection, sea lane control, close air support, or counter-terrorism,